Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss sample question paper from the chapter 8, 9 and 12. Lesson 8 is Introduction to Trigonometry. Then 9th chapter is Application of Trigonometry. Then chapter 12 is Area related to circles. First of all, we have to discuss the important points on these chapters. Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometric Ratios. There are 4 topics as main. First one is trigonometric ratios like sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta, tan theta and cot theta. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Then second topic is trigonometric values of special angles like 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, after that complementary angle ratios, then identity of trigonometric ratios. Then from this chapter, 2 topics were deleted by CBSE. That are, first one is that complementary angles ratio. That is removed by CBSE from this year's board exam. The next is state the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree. That also removed by CBSE from this year's board exam. Okay. Then next is chapter number 9, Application of Trigonometry. Points on the chapter. Some applications of trigonometry are line of sight, angle of elevation, angle of depression and heights and distances. Okay, from that chapter no topic was deleted. All the topics were included for this year's board exam. At last, chapter number 12. Chapter 12 is area related to circles. Important points on the chapter area related to circles are circumference of a circle, area of a circle, segment and sector, area of a sector, then a length of the arc, moved by a wheel, etc. are the main topics in the chapter area related to circles. Then what is the area of a sector? Area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is the length of the arc? That is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, then you know what is the minor arc, minor segment, major segment, that all we discussed in that chapter. You should read the textbook carefully, read and study that points to remember in the last. It is given in the last of each and every chapter in your textbook. Okay, then you already studied how to find the quadrant. What is mean by quadrant? Quadrant is 1/4 of a circle. That means 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, 1 by 4 pi r square is the area of the quadrant. So we can directly use this equation for finding the area of the quadrant. Okay, now we are going to discuss sample question paper questions which are from the chapter 8, 9 and 12. That are question number 12, 13, 14, 25, 29, 32 and 34. So that questions we are going to discuss now. Sample question paper, question number 12. Sin A plus cos B equal 1. A equal 30 degree and B is an acute angle. Then find the value of B. Okay, so here we have to substitute the value of sin A. That means A is given as 30 degree. So sin A we can rewrite as sin 30 degree plus cos B equal 1. Then what is the value of sin 30? That is 1 by 2. Then plus cos b equal 1. Then cos b equal, we have to transpose half to RHS. Then it becomes minus half. So 1 minus half is what? Half. So cos b equal half. Which angle's cos value is 1 by 2? That cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, since cos 60 is 1 by 2, so b equal what? 60 degree. So for this question there is mark for the substitution of sin 30, half mark, and last answer half mark. 1 mark question. So if you want to remove the steps, that you can do. Okay, you can simplify the steps and get the answer easily. Number 13. If x equal to sin square theta and y equal to cos square theta plus 1, then find x plus y. So we have to add this x and y. So we can write it as x plus y equal 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 1. X means 2 sin square theta, y means 2 cos square theta plus 1. Then we can take common factor outside. From these two terms, 2 we can take outside. Then 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. Then by identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what is the value of x plus y? That is 3. So a 1 mark question. So half mark is for this common factor, take 2 outside, and another half mark for the last answer. So you can reduce the steps. Question number 14. In a circle of diameter 42 centimeter, if an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center where pi equal 22 by 7, then what will be the length of the arc? So what is the equation for finding the length of the arc? Length of the arc is equal, what is the equation? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, then what is theta here? Angle subtended is 60 degree. So 60 degree by 360 degree into 2 into, what is the value of pi given? 22 by 7. Into diameter is given as, what is the diameter given? 42. So radius will be what? Diameter by 2. Okay, then we can simplify and get the answer. So here we can cut the zeros. Then 6 and 36 6 times. Then that 6 and 2 3 times. That 3 and 42, what will get? 14. Then 14 and 7 you can cut. Then 2. That 2 and 2 you can cut. Then what will be the last answer? Last answer will be 22 centimeter. Okay, the 60 and 360 we will get what? 6. That 6 and 2, then 3. Then 3 and 42 14 times. That 14 and 7 2 times. That 2 and 2 we can cut. Then which is remaining? 22. So 22 centimeters is the length of the arc. So a 1 mark question. So half mark for this equation and another half mark for the last answer. Okay. The next question is question number 25. It has an OR question too. So question number 25 is, if tan A is 3 by 4, find the value of 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. Tan A is given, then we have to find 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. It is a 2 mark question. Question tan A is given. Then what is mean by tan A? Tan A is opposite by adjacent. That we get as 3 by 4 as ratio. So actual value will be what? 3k by 4k, right? Then we have to find in a right triangle. This is A, angle A. This is B. Then this is C. Then tan A is 3 by 4. Opposite is 3k. Adjacent is 4k. Right. Then we have to find this hypotenuse. For that we have to do the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, apply the values on Pythagoras theorem. So this AC equal what? Root of 3k square plus 4k square. Right? 3k square is 9k square plus 4k square is 16k square. That is equal 25k square. Its square root will be 5k. So easily you can identify that this is 3, this is 4, then this will be what? 5. Okay, this is 3, this is 4, then what will be 5? That means 3 square plus 4 square. Its square root, that will be 5. Okay, so it is a 2-mark question, so you can reduce the steps. Then here tan A is 3 by 4, 3k by 4k. So what will be sin A? Here we have to get the values of sin A and cos A. So sin A means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here we got hypotenuse as 5k. So opposite by hypotenuse means 3k by 5k equal 3 by 5. Then cos A equal what? Adjacent by hypotenuse 4k by 5k, that is equal 4 by 5. Then we have to substitute the values in this statement. Okay, that is 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. That is 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A equal what? 1 by 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4 by 5. 1 by 3 by 5 means reciprocal of 3 by 5, that is 5 by 3, plus 1 by 4 by 5 means reciprocal of 4 by 5, that is 5 by 4. Then we have to do the cross multiplication. Then 5 4s are 20 plus 5 3s are 15 by 3 into 4 is 12. So 35 by 12. 35 by 12 is the value. 2-mark question, right? So half mark for value of sin A, then half mark for getting the value of cos A, then half mark for substitution of these values. Okay, then the last half mark for this last answer. This is the mark distribution. I already told you that question number 25 has an OR question too. This is the OR question. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals 0 and 0 degree less than theta less than 90 degree, find the value of theta. Okay, so here first we have to write this transposing. When we transpose minus cos theta to right side, then what we will get? Root 3 sin theta equal cos theta, minus become plus. 0 plus any number will be that itself. For this step, half mark. Okay, it is a 2-mark question. Then we have to transpose this cos theta to here and this root 3 to RHS. So sin theta by cos theta equal 1 by root 3. Here root 3 is multiplication, that will become denominator. But in the numerator there is no number because we transpose this cos theta to left side. So here it will be 1. For this half mark. Then we have to write sin theta by cos theta as tan theta. Sin by cos is tan. Tan theta equal 1 by 3 for this half mark. Then we have to find which angle's tan value will be 1 by root 3. So we know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So what will be theta? Theta is equal 30 degree. So the last answer has half mark. Half mark for this transposing, half mark for next transposing, half mark for identifying this as tan theta. Then the last answer has half mark. Okay. Question number 29. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. Semicircles are drawn with each side of square as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Here this is the figure given. Here semicircles are there. Okay. From this figure it is difficult to identify the semicircles. Here we have to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay, so we can consider the which are combined to get this figure. Okay, actually these are the shaded portions 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the shaded portions given in the question. So from this figure it is confused to get the shaded portions area. For that we divide it into two figures. This is the first figure. So for getting this first and second part, we have to consider these two semicircles. And for getting third and fourth part, we have to consider these two semicircles. In the question it is given that this ABCD is a square, right? ABCD is a square. Then here this diameters having the diameter, this semicircles having the diameter 14 centimeter. What is the side of the square? That's same, right? So here two semicircles are there. So how we will get area of first and second part together? From here we know that these two circles and these two semicircles having the same diameter, that is 14 centimeter each. So area of this 1 and 2 and this 3 and 4 are same. Okay, 3 and 4 are same. So area of 1 and 2 equal area of 3 and 4. Then if we want to find the total area of the shaded portion, we have to find either this or this and multiply it by 2. Okay, so here how we will get area of 1 and 2? Area of 1 and 2 together it will be what? Area of the square minus area of these two semicircles. These two semicircles together will be a circle, right? So area of square ABCD with the side what? 14 centimeter minus area of circle. We can write it as a circle itself. Circle diameter 14 centimeter. I have to write the equation for finding the area of the square with the side 14 centimeter. That is a square. Then minus area of circle with the diameter 14 centimeter. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so here radius will be what? Diameter by 2. So radius equal d by 2 equal 14 by 2 equal 7. So a square is 14 square minus pi we can substitute as 22 by 7 into r square means 7 square. So 14 into 14 minus 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, then here we can cut these two 7s. Next 14 into 14 is 196 minus 22 into 17 is 154. That is equal 42 centimeter square is the area of first and second part together. We know that area of 1 and 2 and area of 3 and 4 are same. So what will be the area of this total shaded portion? That is equal 42 into 2. Area of shaded portion equal 42 into 2 is equal 84 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded portion. Here it is a 3-mark question. So how the mark distribution, that we can discuss now. Half mark for identifying this. Okay. Then for another half mark is for substituting these values. For this and this identification, half mark each. Then substitute writing the equation, half mark. Then find the value, half mark. Then for identifying this, 42 into 2 is the total. For that, half mark. Then last answer 84 centimeter square with correct unit. Then you will get half mark. Total 3 marks.